Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen on your HP SPECTRE X360. To record the screen of your device, you can either use a shortcut of Fn+Right Shift button, and in such case you would also have to manually switch to the recording option on the toolbar at the top of your screen, or you can just quickly enable the screen recording mode, so open the same bar with the recording being toggled on by pressing Windows+Shift+R buttons at the same time. Now on this bar you're gonna have to select one of the two available options for recording. So we have rectangle, which lets us select an area of the screen that we want to record, or a window in which we'll be able to select a window that we want to start recording. Now before we start recording, let's see what icons we have on the toolbar. So this icon, clicking this icon will unmute your microphone, and clicking this icon will mute your system audio during the recording. To start the recording, click right here, then give the tool all the permissions. And now to pause the recording, click the pause icon. To stop it, click the red icon, and to delete it without saving, just click the trash bin icon. Let's stop the recording. We'll immediately be able to rewatch it entirely. And if you want to find this recording in your files, open File Explorer, go to Videos folder on the sidebar, go to Screen Recordings, and here it is. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.